I have a question here from circumference and area of circles. We have a question here that says a copper wire when bent in the form of a square encloses an area of 272.25 centimeter square. If the same wire is bent into the form of circle, what will be the area enclosed by the wire? Now the meaning is, if there is a, see like this, there is a wire. Now this wire can be bent in any shape. Okay, so the first time what they have done is they have made it as a square, and this area of this is 272.25. now you all know that area of the all the sides of the square are equal, so with the help of this I can find the length of the wire that is used to make the square. Now see how we can do it. Now area of the square is this, it is given, I have written this. What is the formula of area of square? A square is equal to 272.25. Now I'll have to find the square root of this, right? Square root of 272.25 upon 100 I will do. Why? 100 is a square number we know by 10. We can write it. But we'll have to find out the square root of 27225 with the help of prime factorization. Let's look into 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 six are 2 ones are 2, so it will not go. Why? Because the ending is 5. So let's begin with 5. 5 5s are 25, 2 remains 20, 5 4s are 20, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Now again 5, 5 ones are 4 is there. 4 is less than 5, so it is not divisible. 0. 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45. Now this, it is not ending by 0 or 5, so it is not divisible by 5. So we'll have to check with what number is it divisible. Now 9 and 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 2 is what? 18. If the sum is 18, it is divisible by 3. 3 3s are 9. 18 remains. 3 6 are 18. 3 3s are 9. So again it will go get divided by 3. 3 ones are 3 2s are 3 ones are. Now you know that 121 is a square of what? 11. 11 11s are 121. 11 ones are 11. Now means what? This a can be written as under root, see here, 5 square into 3 square into 11 square upon 100 is 10 square. So if all of them are square, they can come out of the square root sign with their base upon 10. Now what is this? You are having 5 3s are 15, 15 into 11 or 11 15 into 11. What will happen? 11 5s are 55, carry 5, 11 ones are 11 plus 5 is 16, but you have divided by 10, hence it is 16.5. Okay, check with this. These are the prime factors. When you multiply these three, you are getting 165. What is it? 15 into 11 is 165, and you will be getting 16.5 because you have divided by 10 there. Okay, now if you know the side of the square, can you find the perimeter? Yes. What happens? Perimeter is equal to, but perimeter is only, so whatever is the length of that wire, that only is going to, that was first made as a square, now it is opened and going to become a what circle. So the perimeter of square will be equal to the circumference of the circle. That's what I'm going to use now. Perimeter of square is equal to circumference of circle. Circumference. So perimeter of square is what? 4 times A is equal to 2 pi r. Now 4 times A means this into 4 times 4 into 16.5. Don't be in a hurry to multiply. Why? Because sometimes the numbers get cancelled very easily. You don't have to worry about it. Okay. 2 into 22 by 7 into r. Now let's see what all gets divided. Okay, now bring all this to this side, means what? 2 and 22 in the denominator, 7 in the numerator. So 4 into 16.5 into 7 upon 2 into 22 is equal to r. Now here you can convert this if you want to. Just a minute. Sorry for that. Now 4a is equal to 2 pi r I have written. Why I explained this, if you can understand. The perimeter of square is equal to circumference of the circle. So I have written perimeter of square is equal to circumference, that is 2 pi r. 4 into 16.5y, a is 16.5 here, equal to 2 into pi value and r we are supposed to find out yet. Now here 2 ones are 2 twos are, you can cancel. This is divisible by 11. If you know the 11 rule, divisibility rule for 11, what it is? When such numbers are there, you are supposed to add the odd placed numbers, 1 plus 5. 1 is in first position, 5 is in third position. Add them, 6. Now the middle one is what? Second position is 6 only. So 6 minus 6 is 0. In the divisibility of 11, what do we check is sum of odd number placed numbers and sum of even number placed numbers. If we find the difference in them, it should be 0 or multiple of 11. Right now we have 0, so we don't have to worry. 2 11 twos are 22. Here 11 ones are 11 point, 11 fives are 55. So we have this 2 will get cancelled with this 2. So 1.5 into 7 is r. Okay, therefore r is equal to 1.5 into 7 means 105, that is 10.5. 10.5 what? Centimeter. So I got the radius, but what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the area of the circle. Now area of the circle is given by what? Pi r square, right? I'm solving it over here only. Area of circle, area of circle is equal to pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7. R is what? 10.5. 10.5. If you want to know, 10.5 is nothing but 21 upon 2. Just check it. Why should you write like this, ma'am? See, 21 is multiple of 7. You will get it cancelled. That's why 10.5 can be written as 21 upon 2. 7 ones are 7 threes are 21. Here 2 ones are 2 11s are. After this, do you have anything? No, nothing. So here you can say that 11 into 3 into 21 upon 2. 2 ones are 2, 1.5s are. Okay. Now 1.5 into all this we have to do. Okay. I think we did here the same kind. So 16.5 into 21, you will do that. Okay, here what happens? 21 5s are, and okay, 165. It will be 3465, that is 346.5 centimeter square. Now hope this is clear, and a is equal to this. Why it is? Why the perimeter is equal to circumference I explained. We got a radius as 10.5 and we have the answer for this as 346.5. You get any doubt over this, you can let me know so that I can explain the same to you. you can have such questions in 3 marker, at the most 3 marker only, no 4 marker. Definitely 3 marker questions can be of such type. Okay children, let me go ahead with the next question. We have the question next as: a copper wire, when bent in the form of an equilateral triangle, has an area of 121 root 3 centimeter square. If the same wire is bent into the form of a circle, find the area enclosed by the wire. Now in the earlier question we had square to circle, here we have triangle to circle. Now area of equilateral triangle. The area of equilateral triangle is given by root 3 upon 4 a square. A is here the side of the equilateral triangle. So we have 121 root 3 here. Now you know that root 3 on either side, you can cancel it. Now a square is equal to 121 into 4. Now you know a can be square root of this and square root of this. 11 into 2. That means a is what? 22 centimeter. Okay, I did not multiply, but I directly found the square root. Okay, so if a is 22, means what? Equilateral triangle is there, its sides are 22. This is being turned into what? Circle. Now what is the area enclosed by the wire when it is bent in the form of circle is asked. To find the area, I need to know the radius. If I know if how to find the radius, now the length of these 3 sides is going to be the circumference, means perimeter of the triangle is going to be equal to the circumference of the circle. That's how you will have to work. Okay, now a we know, so we'll find perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle. Perimeter of triangle, it is equilateral triangle, so 3 into 22, that gives you 66 centimeter. Therefore, perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to circumference of circle. So now here this is what? 66 is equal to 2 pi r. Now 2 ones are 2 33s are. So 33 is equal to pi r. Now pi value is 22 by 7. We'll write that only here, 22 by 7. Take this 22 by 7 to this side. It will be reciprocal. That is 7 into 33 upon 22 equal to r. You can see that 11 twos are and 11 threes are, and 2 ones are 2 1.5s are it is. So again it is what? 15 sevens are 105. 10.5 is the radius. It is in centimeters. Now we know, once we know what is the radius of the circle, we can find the area of the circle. Area of the circle is given by what? Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Now what it will be? Pi is 22 by 7, and in the question earlier I told you 10.5 is nothing but 21 upon 2 into 21 upon 2. Now don't you think that calculation and this calculation are almost same? Yes, they are. You can cancel it as 21 7 in the same, this one 7 ones are 7 threes are 21. Here 2 ones are 2 11s are, and the remaining will be 11 into 3 into 21 upon 2. Okay, now what is the result of this? You will have to calculate. So it is giving the same answer, what? 346.5 centimeter square. Now you must have observed that the earlier question and this question have the same answer. Yes, it is by the calculation. So these are the two questions which I have added in this single video. If you have any queries based on the same, you can let me know through the comments.